Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2002 Honda Goldwing, with 75,813 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, electronic locking luggage, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit, rear bumper, Carriac and chrome accent trim, passenger armrests, driver floorboards, heel-toe shifter, cup holder, front fender rails, brake pedal, and a helmet lock. The benchmark of the metric touring class, the Goldwing provides uncompromising power, long-distance comfort, and agile handling. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, the Goldwing weighs in at 919 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.